JavaScript throughout the stack, whereas Apache and PHP are traditional technologies often used for web development, where it differs in performance and community use cases. Single programming languages for Apache and PHP. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function in Node.js is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of that function. The common pattern in asynchronous programming we have file reading, network requests, database queries, etc. Whereas since we are using the callback function in Node.js, it is used for their responsiveness, which allows responsive applications to handle multiple operations simultaneously, improves performance of event loop by creating and managing multiple threads. It is simple and provides a straightforward way to handle the results of asynchronous operations. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Package.json file is a critical component since it serves as a project's manifest and it also provides the essential metadata about the project. It is used to manage project dependencies, scripts, and etc. The key properties and purposes of package.json file is to include metadata of the project. We can manage the dependencies and scripts, versioning, configuration. The key properties include name, description, which includes the description of the project, scripts, dependencies, repositories, keywords, license, engines, and etc. In Node.js, require and import are two different ways to include modules in your code. They belong to two different module systems, common JavaScript and ESM files respectively. The key characteristics include the synchronous loading, meaning it waits until the module is fully loaded before moving to the next part of the code. Compatibility works for the box with all the functions of the Node.js. Import statement is generally used for importing some modules. Availabilities to check the availability of the file extensions. In general, require is used in common JS module system and is compatible with all versions of Node.js. They are suitable for making legacy projects, whereas import is a part of module system and is ideal for modern JavaScript development for providing modern JavaScript syntax and optimizations. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Example of how you would use middleware in an Express application. Middleware refers to functions that have access to the project, such as request and response in the functions. Middleware can perform a wide range of tasks like modifying the request and response objects, ending the request response cycle, or calling the next function. We have different types of middlewares like application level, router level, error handling, built-in middleware, etc. It is a powerful feature that allows you to handle various tasks like from logging and authentication to error handling. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API, that is representational state transfer API, is an architectural cycle or style for designing networked applications. It relies on a stateless client-server cacheable communications protocol like typically for HTTP. RESTful APIs use HTTP requests to perform CRUD operations on resources. The main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs are GET to retrieve data from the server, POST to create a new resource, PUT update an existing resource on the server, patch, delete. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies? Node Package Manager is a crucial tool because it serves several key purposes such as dependency management to which enables developers to easily install and update the third-party libraries, package distribution to publish their packages for their use or for others to use, script automation. It enables running scripts defined in the package.json file. We can use npm to manage dependencies such as initializing a project. We can install a dependencies. We can install even development dependencies. You can even remove using some syntaxes. You can run scripts. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing is several crucial reason which is obviously related to security and protection of the data. It is used for security practice in web applications to protect the user's data, mitigates the impact of data breaches, and helps comply with the security standards to resist the brute force and rainbow table attacks, compile with the security standards. We can even prevent password reuse by hashing. Even hashing includes like adding the salt and costs using algorithms such as decrypt, scrypt, and argon 2.0, where you can significantly enhance the security of your application and protect your sensitive information in a single direction.